In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate iMessage on your device in just 5 minutes. Now, we all know how crucial staying connected is in our fast-paced world, and iMessage offers a seamless way to chat with friends and family who are also using Apple devices. So, let's dive right into the steps you need to take to get iMessage up and running. Firstly, you'll want to begin by opening your device's Settings app. This is where you'll find all the configurations and options necessary for customizing your device to your liking. The Settings app is typically represented by a gear icon and can be found on your home screen. Go ahead and tap on that icon to get started. Once you're in Settings, the next step is to scroll through the list of options until you find Messages. This section is dedicated to all your messaging preferences, including iMessage, so take a moment to locate it. As you scroll, you might also notice other settings you can explore later, but for now let's stay focused on activating iMessage. After you've found and tapped on Messages, you'll be taken to a screen where you can control various messaging features. Here you'll be looking for the iMessage option. It's usually one of the first settings you'll see. Toggling iMessage on is simple, just locate the switch next to iMessage and slide it to the right. You'll know it's been successfully activated when the switch turns green. This is a critical step. And it's about more than just flipping a switch. When you turn on iMessage, you're enabling a feature that allows your device to send and receive messages over Wi-Fi or cellular data rather than just traditional text messages. This means you can send text, photos, videos and more to other Apple device users without using up your texting plan. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that you'll need a valid Apple ID to fully activate iMessage. If you haven't already signed into your Apple ID on your device, you may be prompted to do so once you toggle the switch. Be sure that your device is connected to the internet to ensure that the activation process can be completed without hiccups. If there are any issues or delays, a quick restart of your device often helps sort things out. And there you have it. With iMessage now activated, you're all set to enjoy rich media messaging and enhanced connectivity with other Apple users. Whether it's through messages, photos, or even voice notes, iMessage opens up a world of communication opportunities right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out other videos on our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.